Alright, yes guys, what is going on? Welcome to the live stream. How's everyone doing this morning? But yeah, bias for this session is definitely going to be shorts, okay? We've swept buy side. We've got bearish SMT on NQ. ES has taken out one of the highs. NQ hasn't. Right.
Order filled.
Short flag, guys.
Order filled.
Right, we all stopped out on that one. Very small loss, guys. Completely valid trade to take as well. But yeah, I mean, the guys, like, a trade like that, if it gets stopped out, there's literally no point of being frustrated, right? Because this is a very clean model. Right, we've swept buy side, we've swept London highs, we have a bearish SMT on NQ, we're trading the weaker asset, and then we get stopped. It's completely fine. You can't be mad about that. Right.
Order
Short flag,
filled.
guys. Alright, we got two TPs on this. Let's see what we get. But yeah, this is gonna be my last trade of the day, guys. If it doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out. Do you half size on second trade? So me personally, I don't half my position size, but I recommend that you guys do half your position. Okay, if you don't have a buffer on your accounts, then 100% half your position size. But since I've got a big buffer, I don't really half my position. Right, we need this to start moving. I want to see that low get broken. Once that low gets broken, we can reduce our risk to that swing high. I don't know why ES is going up. Lagging behind a little bit. But yeah, I mean, guys, if this trade gets stopped out, this is a very clean trade. Yeah, so if this one gets stopped out, I'm going to walk away. And I'm going to come back tomorrow. Simply because I don't want to be in the market when this is the type of price action we're getting, okay? If we're getting two very clean setups and they're both failing, you don't want to be in the market, okay? Simply against you. But yeah, we'll see what we get. Okay, I'm going to wait for a candle closure. I want to see that low get broken through preferably. Right now, this is just Very indecisive candle, very wicky. Are you trading tomorrow? Yeah, I'll be trading tomorrow, yeah. Come on. I want to see a break below. Give us a break below. Oh God. We need to break below that low. We need to break those lows. So if this trade doesn't play out, we'll call it a day, and we'll come back tomorrow. But yeah, let's see. But yeah, let's see. And it takes another loss to deep drawdown. Please refund my account. I mean, bro, you've been in here for what, 1 day? You can't really base. One sec. About to get stopped there. But yeah, like, bro, you can't come in here for 1 day and then just judge me off that, right? You gotta get at least give me a month to see the profitability. It's not gonna happen in 1 day. Like, if you're not happy within 30 days, then maybe request a refund. Yeah, shit was an A+ setup, didn't work out, no problem, we move on. Exactly. Exactly. This is a unicorn model that we're going to enter a little bit low on the value gap, overlapping the breaker. Am I wrong? Yeah, so preferably the value gap should be overlapping with the breaker. I mean, it still is kind of overlapping, right, with this one. So yeah, I would call it a unicorn, yeah. I've been trading a lot of years. It's a great strategy. Yeah, this is an amazing strategy. But I mean, the market's the market, guys. Sometimes you're going to get stopped out, and that's totally fine. You have to just be able to control that mentally. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we got Bro, that stop loss, mate. One tick. One tick. There's no way we hit this. If we hit this, it'll be a mad comeback. There was no body close on the lows. That's not needed. So, I mean, if we do close below, that's better. That's higher probability. If we don't, it's still a valid trade to take, okay? But this is not that wicky. So, if this was a lot wickier, it might have been different, but the candle's still pretty strong. But yeah, it doesn't have to close below. I mean, if it does close below, then it's going to be high probability. If it doesn't, it'll just be a less probable trade, but still a completely valid trade to take. It's like a, yeah, B plus L. Alright, looks like we're going to get stopped on this. Just stop me out already, mate. I can't take it anymore. Stop me out. Honestly, the biggest edge, like... Drake candle coming, yeah, I hope so. Yeah, cool. Let's call Powell, mate. Let's get it cracking. Let's get Trump on the case. But yeah, I mean, going back to that guy asking for the refund, bro, like, first of all, we don't really do refunds, alright, because you've already had access to the material. And second of all, I do give out refunds sometimes, okay, if it's actually a genuine reason, okay, not you joining for one day and after one day saying, okay, I'm out. You just can't do that. If after a month you're still not happy and you're still not seeing any results, then potentially you can request a refund and the customer service team might accept that, okay, but yeah, you gotta give me at least a month, bro. You gotta give me at least a month, okay, because this strategy does work. If you look at the results, I've got a whole spreadsheet data of 2 years of trades taken on live stream, and every single month we've closed out 5% in the green, in the profit. Some months being as high as 9%, okay, which is crazy. So yeah. Bro, I've blown 11 grand and that's due to my risk management and psychology. Bro, crying about nothing. What I'm doing is getting full position. If I lose, I go half. If next trade target, I go back to full position. Is that okay? Yeah, that's fine. 100 handles tomorrow is all good. Yeah, exactly. Like, guys, we're down 60 handles, right? Tomorrow we get a banger trade. Boom. We're not even down 60 handles yet. We have not been stopped out yet. So, but yeah, if we do get stopped on this, we'll be down 60 handles in a week. And yeah, all it takes is one trade, guys. Like, we had that literally yesterday, where we took 3 losses prior and then we took 1 win and it's made it all back plus profit. So yeah, all it takes is one day, guys. It's not that deep. And guys, if you can't handle the losses, if you can't go through these losses and be fine, right, if you cannot be mentally okay with taking these losses, I'm sorry, but trading is just not for you. It's not for you. Losses are inevitable, okay? We take W's, but losses are going to happen. They're going to happen. Even the most profitable traders out there, they take many losses, okay? If you look at the top 25 leaderboard, yeah, on Top Step, honestly, the top people on there have literally like a 30% win rate, and they're very profitable, okay? I'm pretty sure the number 1 guy on the leaderboard has around a 30% win rate. That means he's losing 70% of the time, okay? And he's completely fine with that, okay? So he takes 7 losses in a row, and then 3 trades, boom, he's back, okay? So you have to look at it that way, guys. If the top guy on the leaderboard is losing 70% of the time, and he's still profitable, what does that tell you about trading, okay? It tells you that losses are inevitable, and losses are completely fine. You have to be mentally okay with taking those losses, okay? In the long run, we're profitable, so there's nothing to worry about. But yeah, the best traders are the best losers. Exactly. That dude that took out 2.5 million has a 35% win rate. Yeah, I mean, there you have it. There you have it. First day on the stream, I'd say pretty fast stream, very educational. People just coming for signals and not turn. Yeah, exactly. Like, the whole point of these live streams is so you guys can learn. I mean, this is the biggest edge in the history right now. I don't know how we've reversed. But yeah, like, the whole point of these live streams is for you to actually learn the high income skill, the trading, and then apply yourself. Not just to come on here and copy me and take signals, okay? That's not what you should be doing. If you are doing that, please stop, okay? Obviously, I can't grab you by the screen and stop you. But if you are doing that, please honestly reconsider what you're doing. Because if I die tomorrow, what are you going to do with your life? Okay, you need to actually learn this skill and apply it yourself. So, do that. It's the biggest edge in history. Jesus. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. If this actually hits, that's going to be hilarious. I want to see a big Daddy Drake candle to the downside here. Go on, give us a Trump candle. We need to break below those lows. If we break below those lows, we can go break even. And this will be a risk-free trade. Come on. Come on. Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit. Right, go on. Alright, boom. We're going break even now. 350. Stops our break even, boys. Risk-free trade, let's go. Risk-free fucking trade. Let's go. Let's fucking go, guys. Come on. Holy fucking shit, mate. The biggest edge in history. Let's go. Oh, shit. Let's go. Come on. If we hit TB on this, oh my goodness. How gassed are you guys going to be? That guy's definitely not going to be asking for a refund now, is he? Oh. Alright, let's see if we get this. This has been the slowest price action I've ever seen in my life. Throw him out. 50k pass, let's go, bro. Great trade, brother. Good job. Let's go, bro. I'm still in. Nice. I'm still in. Yeah, a few people still in this. I got stopped but entered again. Nice. Yeah, guys, up to you now. We're floating around 35 handles, so if you do want to take something off here, you can. Me personally, I'm just going to be holding this, okay? For me, it's either break even or TP. So if we don't hit any TPs, then I'll take a break even trade any day. So we could take something off. We really could take something off at this low. I mean, it's only 27 handles. You know what, guys? I might take something off at this low here. Nah, we're holding this shit. You know what, guys? I'm going to close a little bit off here. 257, not 25. And then we'll literally just have TP at this low here. I mean, if it doesn't even give it to us, so we'll see. But yeah, TP1 will be there. The biggest comeback in fucking history. Alright, let's go, boys.
Order
TP1
filled.
fucking smashed. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Closing 80% here. So take something off there, guys. I'm out 80%. I'm going to hold this final contract to that sell side level there. We've been in this trade for way too long, so I don't want to be holding it longer. Okay, we're nearly coming up to 11 AM soon, so let's go. Let's get some fucking W's. Holy edge. The biggest edge. Alright, I'm going to move my stops into a profit, guys. We already took that low, so we want to stop that swing high now. Yes, just took that as well. This should hold bearish some T and head lower. If not, I'm out.
Order
cool.
filled.
We got stopped out there, no problem. What a banger trade, guys. Honestly, that's probably been the funniest trade and the biggest comeback in actual history. 43 handles secured. Up on the week now. Okay, so we're not down, we're not break even, we're up. Where's that guy? Where's that guy then? He's gone. He's kicking some rocks. But yeah, before we end the stream here, let's quickly break this trade down, okay? What a banger trade. We're actually going to have to make a YouTube video on this, okay? This is disgusting. So yeah, unicorn mode to go short, okay? We sweep buy side, we displace below this low. This becomes our breaker block here, okay? We have that high, low, high, high displacement. Breaker block paired with that value gap, okay? It's not overlapping perfectly, but it's still there, okay? So it's like a B plus unicorn, still pretty clean. I decided to enter off that gap, stop loss above, displacement candles high, so covering all of these imbalances. Price comes up, okay? Oh my God, okay? We're literally, let's see, 3 times, we were one fucking tick of getting stopped out. We didn't get stopped out, we got edged like 3 times, and then somehow price goes all the way back down and hits our TP, okay? So we secured around 43 handles on that trade, and then 80% was closed, and then 1 remaining contract got stopped out there in a profit. So all good there. I hope you lot enjoyed the live stream. Okay, anyone new here, that was an absolute roller coaster. Okay, we've never had a trade like that where we've been edged around 15 million times and then hit TP as well. That's crazy. So if it is your first day here, welcome to the team. Glad you guys joined as well. This is the best team out there, okay, for ICT trading. There's no one better than us. Okay, I don't see anyone else doing this, especially on live as well. So glad you guys joined. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the live stream. If you have, okay, let's get some W's in the chat one more time. You saved my account, bro. Yeah, we're getting a lot of W's. Let's go, bro. I'm happy for you lot. Hopefully all of you made a shit ton of money on that trade. But yeah, so far so good. We're up on the week. We'll see what tomorrow has in store for us. And other than that, guys, I'm going to go on the rest of my day. Hope you lot enjoy the rest of your day as well. And yeah, I'll see you lot in tomorrow's live stream, okay? Take it easy, guys.